Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to disable suggested or recommended posts on Facebook. In this video, I'll show you the quick steps to stop seeing those posts in your feed. Let's get started without any delay. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Now, if you scroll down, you'll notice posts like recommended for you. In this video, I'll guide you through the process to turn off these types of suggested posts. To begin, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Next, select the Settings option at the top of the menu. Then, tap on See More under the Account Center section. From here, scroll down and choose Add Preferences. Now, tap on Add Settings. Next, select Activity Information under the Add Partners section. Then click on Review Settings. At this point, you'll see an option that says, Use this information to make my ads more relevant. Select the option No, don't make my ads more relevant using this information. After that, hit Confirm. Next, click on Categories used to show you ads. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, now would be a great time to do so. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about future videos. Now scroll down and turn off all of the options listed under this section. Afterward, continue scrolling and tap on Other Categories. Scroll down further and select See All Categories.
Here, click Remove for all the listed categories.
Now, backtrack a bit and tap on Ad Settings once again. Next, scroll down and disable the option related to ad personalization. Once you've done that, you can go back. After a short while, you will no longer see suggested posts in your Facebook feed. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others.